nurse was helping, could have helped him get the job, and she's the kind that would boast about it. So he's like, we're not doing that. So he's moving to Jacksonville in September, very beginning of September. And so she's told him, like, I will help you pay for it. Like, I'll take, like, I'll help you pay for it in Jacksonville. I'm going to stay here until our rent is up in December. And then I will move down when the rent is up. And he's afraid she's going to leave him. Like, and, they're just, well, they can't even well, and she's wanted a dog. She's grown up with dogs. She's wanted a dog. She found a little Pomchi toy dog. Yeah, it's gonna be red. And I can say that because I actually have red. But she bought it. It was $600 because she got it around her birthday. She got $150 off. She knocked it down to $450. So it's like all she had to do was pay $225 twice, which she had saved up for. She was willing to pay the $600, so she had saved up $600. So she's like, we can save money. He has been every other day. It's one day he loves her, the next day he hates her, the next day he loves her, the next day he hates me. And it's like Christina has separation issues, like because they moved from New Orleans. They had been dating a little bit, and they both moved together to Atlanta. Like nothing was here, nothing. They just both moved to Atlanta. She has some family here, and then now he's got a job down in Jacksonville, and he's moving, and he's leaving her, and she's like, "We're gonna be gone, so I needed somebody to be with. Like I need companionship. Like I completely understand. Right? Once skipping past, like we didn't have Duke, and I refused to be in that house alone. I didn't like it, or if I wasn't in the house alone, I had to be like upstairs, or I wouldn't think about it. I wouldn't see what he was. And so I was like, I understand what you're going through. I understand where you're coming from. And he's just like, well, I hate that damn dog. That damn dog is taking my place. You're jealous of a dog? Yeah. And then Michelle's boyfriend, Roby, is just, what's his name? Roby. She's 27 and he's almost 40, and he is just so sad. Like, it's like his money is his money, her money is her money, but she can't make more than him. Why? No, he has to make more, but yet he won't be willing to give her any money. So they're yeah. It's just it's ridiculous, delicate. And the thing is, like, Michelle isn't very affectionate person. Ruby hates affection. She gives him a hug. He's like, what the hell, why are you touching me? Like, how proud of him. Yeah. It has to be because it's a kid. Yeah. Some people settle just so they won't be like that. And that's what I think Michelle was doing. Michelle was like, be loved. And I really do feel that Christina loves Marcus, but I don't know if she loves Paul. Marcus. Yeah, she always says when it's good, it's good. When it's bad, it's bad. I'm like, but you should look like Shane and I. Like when it's good, it's great. When it's bad, it's good.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Local time approximately 10:36. As we taxi to the gate, we ask that you please remain seated. Seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate, and the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. This is not only for your safety, but also for the safety of those customers around you. Please use caution when opening the overhead bins, as articles do tend to shift during takeoff and landing. Once inside the terminal, please comply with all local airport restrictions concerning smoking regulations. Passengers claiming luggage or information concerning ground transportation, there will be a uniformed customer service agent just inside the gate area to assist you. On behalf of the entire crew, it's been a pleasure having you on board. We hope that when your future plans call for air travel to any of our destinations, you once again fly AirTran. You can make reservations by booking online at airtran.com. Have a great stay here in the Fort Lauderdale area, or wherever your final destination may take you. If this is home, a welcome home. To each and every one of you, we certainly appreciate your business and look forward to seeing you on a future AirTran flight. Cell phone use is permitted at this time as long as your cell phone is accessible to your seating area without getting up and removing your seatbelt. Passengers are requested wheelchair assistance. When we arrive at the gate, please remain seated until we notify you. Wheelchairs are in the jetway, ready for your use. And once again, as a final reminder, we ask that everyone remain seated, seatbelt securely fastened, until the aircraft comes to a complete stop at the gate. Fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please keep the aisle free and clear of any of your carry-on items. Passengers that are seated at window seats, if you'd lower your window shade for us, we would certainly appreciate it.